This is how I spent my paycation as an entrepreneur who can earn from anywhere in the world.
Oh, wow. You're gonna need to tell us how you did that.
It was Clickfunnels. There's no other way that I could have done this.
Were you always this successful?
I was a musician and I was doing fairly well, but it just took one instant for me to lose everything. I was pregnant, I had nowhere to live, but when I came across Clickfunnels, it just snapped.
What do you mean?
So if you've done something in your life that other people would like to do, you can sell that to the world. And I was like, great idea, let's go.
So run us through your story.
COVID hit and I was living in New Mexico. We had no Wi-Fi. And so I would just drive my car into town, upload videos, and I would send people to my funnel. I was showing musicians how to promote their music online. I held my first webinar in a garage. The water softener was like, so I remember having to scream yeah, so if you want to sign up for the course.
Yikes.
That's actually how I earned my first $1 million.
Shut up. Your first $1 million?
Yeah. I was like, this is the part where it's about to get really good.
You're just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life.
It's not just the tool. It's the community, the strategy, the resources you have access to. That's what makes it different. My plans are to go show my son the world and to work in the communities that I want to work. We get to do all kinds of cool things together. I know that most people don't have that, and I've been able to do that with him.
I'm gonna rise up above, start living.
Say thanks, Clickfunnels.
Thank you.
That's the story.
And we can't wait to hear your story. Start your free trial today.